My simple but quick and effective tip to increase conversions on your sales funnels or your landing pages, especially, is to add keywords wherever possible. So if you don't know how to search keywords or you're not really sure about SEO, just go into ChatGPT, type all of the information about your business and tell it exactly how to speak to you, and ask ChatGPT to find the 10 best keywords or at least 5 that you can start using right now. Now keywords are both long tail and short tail, so you can try and use whatever you want. If you need a video about it, just comment below and I'll create a video exactly as to how you can find keywords to put inside your sales funnels. But here are a few places where I add keywords, especially inside of System.io if you use that platform, or if you use Go High Level, that's a separate another video. Comment below again and I'll create that for you. So this is the platform called System.io, and when I go inside, especially my portfolio page, which I'm editing currently, all you have to do is go inside this option that says edit page. Once this loads, I want you to go inside settings and I want you to scroll all the way down. Now, firstly, you can add keywords inside your title, and you can see that this is my business name and mine is a sales funnel and automations agency. So I've created literally using every single keywords. I can even add webinar automation agency, sales funnel, challenge funnel automations agency, anything. And second place where I can add is the description. So here I'm going to literally use all of the words such as strategic funnels, high converting funnels, course creators, service providers, webinar sales funnels, everything and whatnot. The third place where I would use is in the keywords column. So this is literally where I input everything about my business, long tail, short tail. This is something I'm editing right now, so which is why you see that. The fourth place that most of us don't utilize is inside the social media image. Now, if you want your image also to have those keywords, you have to go inside your library and you have to actually rename your image itself so it has those keywords that you want. So you can do that. Make sure this is checked off, and make sure to include your author name, which is your name, which I'm gonna do right now, and add tracking codes if you need. Basically, that's recommended. The other place that I would use keywords is inside the actual portfolio page, inside the copy. So I know, because as somebody who builds funnels and websites for a living, so I obviously know that I might not have a lot of keywords to add inside of the portfolio section, but I use this pretty much inside of this description. So you see, funnel builds is one of my keywords which I have added here, and the second thing is built on Go High Level, Kajabi, ClickFunnels, and Showit. This is what I do for most of my clients, so this is what I do. Earlier, I used to also have the descriptions on this page, where I used to add a lot of description at the bottom. But right now, I don't do any of the descriptions because I just decided, I just want to skip it for now because it's making the page a lot longer. One other place that I do is inside of the testimonials section. So when I'm trying to condense the image that information that I have from the client's testimonial section, I would just add it here, and I would add keywords like he's a wellness coach or what coach and whatnot. And one other place obviously is through the logos. I'm not sure if the logos would be indexed by Google, but obviously you can try this out. But another place I would use is obviously inside any of the descriptions, especially this is the place where they can book a call with me. This has like a custom HTML code, which is why you're not seeing here because we're editing it. But here is again, I would do that. So yeah. If you're not already, you should be big on using SEO for your business. And if you're still not using SEO, just little tweaks here and there. Obviously, your funnel builder, when they write their copy, or when your copywriter is trying to write the copy, it is crucial that they input these keywords. So make sure to have basic SEO or basic keyword research done, whether you provide the copy to your service provider or the service provider or your copywriter actually writes the copy and gives it to you. But make sure to have a few long tail and a few short tail keywords so you get ranked on Google.